Today I addressed the task force and we spoke about equality and diversity in the workplace, and particularly about gender equality. And I gave my experience from public sector, where I worked in the Central Bank of Ireland and also in the Department of Foreign Affairs and Trade. I think there are many challenges that women face in the workplace. One of the major ones is around the gendering of caregiving responsibilities. So things that might help around that would be flexible working, e-working, and allowing parental leave on a more streamlined basis, on a more equitable basis across all grades. In the Department of Foreign Affairs and Trade, my role sits within corporate services, and I work very closely with our HR team, where equality and diversity is one of the pillars of our new HR strategy. And we're trying to implement tangible changes and look at our gender pay gap, and also the supports we offer to those going on and returning from maternity leave, and how we make our workplace more attractive and more inclusive for all of our staff, both at home and overseas. I think some of the things that I've seen work very well in the workplace are initiatives that begin very organically, whether it's amongst women or male and female colleagues, just through starting conversations, talking about their issues and looking at what is possible to address them. Whereas whether this be a network of colleagues, whether it be inviting in inspiring speakers, or even just reaching outside of your network to talk to a peer from another part of the organisation and learn from their own experiences. I think having those conversations, being honest and opening up to ask for advice is something that works really well. I think one of the key takeaways from our discussion today is that we have more similarities than differences. So I think a lot can be gained through sharing across government departments and even across our different organisations. And I think when you have an idea and an initiative that you want to implement, I think it's good to collaborate and share with each other, to maybe think through the objective, what you're trying to achieve, and not spread ourselves too thin, focus on one or two objectives, and at that stage just act.